a new World PRP treatment for Trisha to address her concerns with the look of overall skin aging, particularly tone, texture, and fine lines and wrinkles. By introducing PRP, we can target many of her concerns at once, using her own platelets to heal and regenerate. Stimulating cell growth and collagen production will help to improve her complexion, skin texture, and the loss of facial volume. As you can see, we've drawn Trisha's blood and are transferring it into the unique hourglass tube. Now we centrifuge the blood for only 3 minutes. This is the fastest PRP system on the market. Look at how visible the separation is between the different layers. The red blood cells are completely isolated in the lower chamber. The great thing about this system is that there are no added gels, so it's truly a pure PRP treatment. Now we're going to collect the PRP from the tube. The hourglass design makes it easy to customize the PRP concentration and volume depending on your treatment needs. In this case, we're withdrawing the full 12 mLs, and we've chosen to completely blanket Trisha's skin using the Beauty Booster device. With this treatment, Trisha's going to need 3 treatments to see the full benefit, ideally 1 month apart. Now we're applying All Calm. This product is going to help soothe and calm the skin, bringing down redness and irritation. It has mineral color coverage, so no one will know she's had anything done, and it will protect her skin with a physical SPF 50 sunscreen.
Another benefit to this device is that it allows for an even distribution of the product, so even depth, even distribution of product, same amount of product being injected in the right depth, the right amount in all the areas, and therefore ensuring much more consistent results. And it can be used alone with World PRP or also in combination with Redensity One for an even better result. We are going to be doing some RHA1 in combination with Redensity One in the neck for Jamie here. She's got what we call the tech neck, so she's a young girl, but she's already starting to see the necklace lines appearing in her neck. This can be a combination of genetic, but also from the use of technology and always having her neck bent downwards. She has now developed these necklace lines. So we're going to look to improve that area. I'm going to start by manually injecting the RHA1, which is a mix of cross-linked and non-cross-linked 50 milligrams per ml hyaluronic acid. And this has a very high stretch capability, so it's going to be very long lasting in this dynamic area. Because it's such a fine product and it's very forgiving, we can actually inject it quite superficially right into the lines. So I'm going to be doing a linear retrograde technique throughout the lines, just gently filling them in. And as you can see, I'm quite superficial. I like to keep the bevel of my needle up when I'm doing these superficial injections. And just slowly filling right along the entire neck band. And I'm just going to go along a little bit lower than the neck here, just because this is kind of connecting with her chest and she's starting to get a bit of a line here as well. So we're also going to do a little RHA1 in this area. So that was an entire syringe of RHA1. So we've done a really great job filling in those fine lines. Now I'm going to go over top with the Redensity One using the V2 Beauty Booster to go at a slightly more superficial depth. The goal with microneedling is, of course, to target the skin health itself, boost collagen, improve the complexion of the skin, the glow, the texture, the pores. And then in addition, it's also infusing the Redensity One. Redensity One is a really unique product. It is a non-cross-linked hyaluronic acid, 50 milligrams per ml. And it actually is mixed with the dermal restructuring complex, which is 14 essential nutrients, vitamins, minerals, amino acids, antioxidants, which help also boost the skin, brighten the skin, and improve the appearance and help it look healthier. The great thing with this device is it's very versatile. There's a lot of different settings. You can change the depth anywhere from 0.5 up to 2 millimeters in depth. You can change the speed, you can change the dosage and how much product you want injected per injection point, the size of the syringe as well, and of course there's the vacuum. So the vacuum's really great. Unlike any other microneedling device out there, this product actually has a vacuum. So what the vacuum does is it allows for the procedure to be a lot more comfortable for you, and it takes away from the idea of the needle poke. The cartridges that come with this is a 9 needle cartridge, 31 gauge, and so when injected, it actually feels like 1 poke going in as opposed to 9, just the way the brain processes the treatment. So again, a lot more comfortable than doing it by hand.